And I've come to understand too that the longevity and the happiness, these are not destinations that we get to. These are goals that we practice at. If you get married and you say happily ever after, you have not just accomplished happy ever after. You have just made a promise to practice with your person at happy ever after. And if we are honest, some days better than others. But if you keep practicing, you do become happier. If you practice gratitude, you do become more grateful. If you practice at health, you can't get all your workouts for a lifetime in one workout and then you're done. You must keep practicing. And if you keep practicing, you do become healthier, happier, and longer lived, although no outcomes are guaranteed for anyone.